Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for July 19th, 2016. And for your Tuesday, we're going to turn things around today with a clearing trend that's going to be lasting for quite a while. And also high pressure moving in from the north is going to give us a couple low humidity days. This is going to be much lower humidity than we've been seeing for a while. And also temperatures will be lower. We'll be back into the 80s again with high pressure building to the north. This is going to keep this frontal boundary to the south, and we're not going to be dealing with any showers and storms today. Had some quite the show yesterday with showers and thunderstorms over a good portion of our area, and actually a little bit more than I expected, with several severe reports mainly from damaging wind, but also a few hail reports. But that is now pushed down south of the area, and we will not be dealing with that over the next couple of days. So here's a look at Tuesday, and then following that up with Wednesday with high pressure still in control of our weather. As we get to Thursday, however, this high pressure will move off the eastern seaboard. You can see that right here. This system here to our west will continue off to the south and will not affect our area. And you can see that moving down here like this. In the meantime, high pressure off the east coast is going to allow the winds to start shifting direction again. We're starting to come in from the south and southwest. That's going to allow temperatures to increase by the time we get to Thursday. So air temperatures will be in the 80s for the next couple days. The coolest day of this little cool snap here, if you want to call it that, will be on Wednesday, but it will definitely be cooler today as well. Thursday we get back up in the 90s again, it looks like, for many areas, and then we get to the weekend and a huge ridge starts building in here, and we get some really warm temperatures with the warm southwesterly winds coming in here. Temperatures we're going to be challenging the 100-degree mark in some locations by the time we get to Saturday, maybe even Sunday yet, before we cap the extreme heat portion of it. Let's go over to the dew points real quick. I do want to show you that. This is what we're looking at today. You can see a lot of 50s showing up for the northern half of our coverage area and lower 60s further south. By the time we get to Wednesday, we have some several 50-degree, even more 50-degree temperature readings. These are all dew points, of course. And when we get to the overnight hours, it's going to feel really nice. This is a look at early Wednesday morning with those dew points that are going to be hanging out here in the lower 50s. This is going to feel really nice overnight, especially for interior locations. But this is what we're looking at this weekend. High temperatures are going to be coming into well into the 90s, maybe near 100. This is not showing any hundreds on this, and they're all confined down here to the Baltimore-Washington area here. But I wouldn't be surprised if somebody in our coverage area did, in fact, hit 100. You got a couple areas that are getting pretty close here. You got a 99 reading here in Reading. 96 out here in Harrisburg, 97 in Allentown, 96, 98-ish down here by Philadelphia. So there is an opportunity to at least challenge the 100-degree mark once we get to this weekend. But we're not really dealing with anything in the way of precipitation until we get to Saturday. And this is going to be later in the day on Saturday with showers and thunderstorms maybe along a frontal boundary. This frontal boundary is not going to be in any hurry to move through. But here's the frontal boundary like this that's going to bring those very isolated, as is shown right now, isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, and that would come again later on Saturday. We get to Sunday now. Sunday looks like a dry day with nothing going on in the coverage area except for hot temperatures continuing. I do think it stays hot next week as well, but not as ridiculously hot as it will be in the Friday through Sunday time frame. I think those are the temperatures that will be extreme Friday through Sunday. Cold front comes through later Sunday. Temperatures go back to only upper 80s to lower 90s. And that's it. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for July 19th, 2016. Have a great Tuesday.